If you aren't already, go ahead and sit back in your chair. We're going to do a little bit of deep breathing to finish class today. Connect our mind and body together. Go ahead and allow your arms, legs, shoulders, and rest of your body to rest easy as we close our eyes and start to focus in deeply on our breath, allowing our body to be filled with energy with that breath. And just as easily as that energy comes in, we will relax everything as well. Go ahead and breathe in and breathe out, nice and carefully. We're not focused on anything outside of our breath. All we are focused on is being present in our immediate moment. Gently fill your lungs with air all the way and gently relax. We're going to do some progressive muscle relaxation today. As we breathe, let's notice all of the tension in our feet, in our ankles, and maybe even in our thighs. Think about your lower body and any tension, any tightness, stiffness, or pain in any area down below. And what I want you to do is to focus on that tension. Focus on that stiffness. And I want you to make it even more stiff. Try to tighten it. Create tension in that entire lower body. Clench your muscles. And then go ahead and relax. Relax that tension. Relax your breath and relax your body. As we gently move up to our shoulders, our hands, and our core or tummy, I want us to do the same thing. We can think about tightening all of those areas, tightening our fists, tightening our shoulders, tightening our core, almost as if we're bracing for impact. Taking a nice big breath in. Nice big breath out on that exhale. Relax that tension your body has created. And allow the relaxation from your upper body, being your arms, shoulders, and core, to bleed right in to your lower body. So now your upper and lower body are relaxed as we breathe and move up just a little bit deeper to the last portion, perhaps the most important, our neck, our head, all those small muscles in our face, around our ears, our mouth. I want you to create tension in these areas again. Tighten your neck, clench your face. Think about creating as much tension as possible. And then as you breathe in and exhale, relax all that tension in your face, arms, lower body, and everything. In our final few moments of class today, we're going to spend some time being present in this sense of peace we just created and enjoying the sense of being relaxed. Go ahead and breathe and scan how your body feels. as we come back together as a class, we can always remind ourselves how just a few moments of peace and relaxation can make us feel. Take your last breath in, last breath out, and gently open your eyes whenever you are comfortable and ready. We are all finished for the day.